It's been 1 year since Stamford native Judge Richard Robinson was appointed to the state's highest court. It's Relevant caught up with the Supreme Court Justice this week, where he gave the keynote address at UCONN Stamford's Black History Month celebration.
I've done a lot of things in my life, and I'm proud of my accomplishments, but whenever I get to come home and see my friends and my family and the people who I know, it sort of lets me reflect and think about where I was and where I came from. It's always important that we don't forget that.
Before becoming a judge, Robinson served as Assistant Corporation Counsel for the City of Stamford. He was appointed to the Superior Court in 2000 and then the state's Appellate Court in 2007. He is currently the only black justice on the Connecticut Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court deals with issues that I've had some of the issues to deal with on the Appellate Court, but other issues I didn't. For example, I have death penalty cases and I have to decide those. And so it's the ultimate in my career, and sometimes the burden is heavy, you know it's there, but it's an extremely good experience.
And every case matters, he says.
My decisions are almost like my children. I like them all in different ways. So there isn't one that I feel is more important or I'm more proud of. I just feel that if I get the best work product that I possibly can, then I'm happy.
With more on the horizon, the justice has his eye on the ball.
There's a couple of cases out there that are going to have significant impact. We're dealing with the whole issue about how to treat a person who's committed an offense when they were a youth. The United States Supreme Court said that you have to give a second chance. You can't put a youth, somebody who's under 18, in prison for the rest of their life without giving them a second chance. There's a whole issue about whether that's retroactive or not. I can't go into the details of those cases, but that's a very significant case.
The advice Robinson has for today's youth reflects what he was taught himself.
Make sure that your reach exceeds your grasp. In other words, always keep trying. Always go for that higher level. Have good friends to surround you. Look to your family. Don't ever forget where you came from.
Reporting in Stamford, I'm Samantha Mckelvie for It's Relevant News.